Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to transfer contacts and photos. In the beginning, let's go to Contacts. Enter Contact app, go to Contacts, Settings and Import Export. Select Export to Storage or Share Contacts. Select All, for example, and tap Share. Now you can share to Bluetooth, Drive, Messages, Gmail or to File. Tap Save, Agree, View in Files, and as you can see right here, we've got the All Contacts file. Share it again via Bluetooth, Drive, Messages and Quick Share, HONOR and more. If you want to share photos, let's enter Gallery and now tap and hold on photo. You can select one photo or multiple photos to share. If you want to share all, tap this button. Tap Share. And now you can select Apps, Quick Share or HONOR Share. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.